Hello dear students, welcome to our next session. In today's discussion, we are going to learn the topic chemical reactions and equations. Today we are going to learn double displacement reaction. The reaction in which the ions in the reactant are exchanged to form a precipitate are called double displacement reaction. Now further, the double displacement reaction are endothermic and exothermic reactions. We will see endothermic reaction. Heat outside is absorbed during some physical change. For example, melting of ice, dissolution of potassium nitrate in water. Calcium carbonate in heated condition gives calcium oxide in solid form. Carbon dioxide is liberated as a gas. Exothermic reaction. Heat is given away during some physical changes. For example, formation of ice from water, dissolution of sodium hydroxide in water. Reaction: calcium oxide in solid form with water forms 2 calcium hydroxide in aqueous condition. Heat is liberated. Now students, assess yourself. Given example, which one is fast or which one is slow reactions. Rate of chemical reactions. The first reaction, cooking gas starts burning on ignitions. Next is iron articles undergoes rusting. Iron articles is the slow type of reactions. Cooking gas is a fast type of reactions. Now, erosion of rocks takes place from soil. Alcohol is formed on mixing yeast in glucose solution under proper conditions. Erosions in form on adding baking soda into test tube containing dilute acid. When a precipitate is formed on adding dilute sulfuric acid to barium chloride. Now let us see the factors which decided the rate of chemical reactions. Factors affecting the rate of chemical reactions. First, nature of reactant. Let us see the reaction of metals, aluminium and zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid. This is the important word of dilute. This HCl is dilute condition. On reaction, both of aluminium and zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid, that time hydrogen gas is liberated and water soluble salt of these metals are formed. The reaction of aluminium metal takes place faster as compared to zinc metal. The nature of metal is responsible for differences. Aluminium is more reactive than zinc. Therefore, the rate of reactions of aluminium with hydrochloric acid is higher than that of zinc. In this case, nature or reactivity of reactant influences the rate of chemical reactions. It is the important for factors affecting of rate of chemical reactions. Now, second, size of particle of reactant. You see so many times the example of the Shahabad tile. In equal weights the dilute hydrochloric acid. At that time, observe effervescence of carbon dioxide is formed at faster or slower speed. You must have found in above activity that carbon dioxide effervescence is formed slowly with the piece of the Shahabad tile, while at a faster speed with the powder. In this reaction indicate that the rate of reactions depend upon the size of particle of the reactant taking part in the reactions. Smaller the size of reactant particles, higher is the rate of reaction. Is the size of particle of reactant for affecting the rate of chemical reactions. Now, third, concentration of reactant. Let us consider dilute and concentrated hydrochloric acid with calcium carbonate powder. Dilute HCl reacts with slowly calcium carbonate. That condition, calcium carbonate disappears slowly and carbon dioxide liberates slowly. Second is situation in this reaction. Concentrated hydrochloric acid takes place rapidly and calcium carbonate disappear fast. Means concentrated acid reacts faster than dilute acid is the first important point, which means that rate of reactions is proportional to the concentration of reactant is the factor effect of rate of chemical reaction. Now next, the factors affecting the rate of reactions are the next point is temperature of reactions. Decomposition reaction. The lime water does not turn milky before heating. Before heating the limestone because zero rate of reaction. Means from this it's a condition the rate of reaction increase on increasing the temperature. It is the important factor of the temperature. Next is catalyst. The rate of the reactions neither increase by reducing the particle size nor by increasing the reaction temperature, but decompose rapidly in presence of the particular conditions and the gas also liberate. No chemical change takes place in this reaction. Now, the substance in whose presence the rate of chemical reactions changes without causing any chemical change to it is called as a catalyst. Now next, do you know? Our book is the extra point of the do you know. First, one or more chemical reactions take place during every chemical change. Second, some of chemical reactions occur at fast speed, whereas some occur at slow speed. Means two types of reactions are there: the fast speed and slow speed. Third is important the strong acid and strong base. Is the condition of reaction is necessary the strong acid and strong base. Fourth is our enzyme increase. Is our body is the enzyme secretion. In our body, enzyme increase the rate of psychological reactions. Next is perishable foodstuffs gets preserved longer in a refrigerator. The rate of decomposition of foodstuffs gets lowered due to low temperature and its freshness is maintained. You can use the refrigerator, so you know that. Next is vegetables cook quickly on oil rather than on water. Means our daily routine example. Next example is the chemical reactions are the profitable in a chemical factories if their rate is fast. our today life, so many examples are there. The instant foods, so many chemicals are used, so because the rate is fast. Next is the rate of chemical reactions is important from environmental point of view as well. Last is the ozone layer in Earth's atmosphere protect the life on Earth from the ultraviolet radiation of sun. The process of depletion or maintenance of this layer depends upon the rate of production or the destructions of ozone molecules. Now we'll stop the today's session. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. Stay home and stay safe.